Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I hope everybody's having a great day. I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers who are watching and commenting and liking my video. And if you're new here or just passing through, I do hope you decide to stay and subscribe to my channel. But today I wanted to jump on and do an unbagging. Now, this has come from Amazon, and I don't know. I was just having one of those nights, laying in bed, couldn't sleep. So guess what? I got on Amazon and I searched for diamond paintings under $5 because I was just curious if there was any, because we all know that you can go to some of the budget sites and get them for like $3 and whatnot. So I was curious if Amazon had them, which I knew they had, of course, cheaper canvases because I've purchased them. But the ones I've purchased in the past has been like anywhere between $7 to $20. So I was just kind of curious if they had anything under $5. And they do, y'all. I was really kind of shocked at the quality of, at least the picture of what they look like in the sizes that they were. So I've already split the end off, but I wanted to show y'all what I got. So now this is a 4th of July canvas. So, I thought it would be cute. It's not something I'm going to do today, but I thought it would be cute to do in July, because I'm sure there'll be some kind of event for the 4th. But this is the company it came from on Amazon, was Crab Address, which I didn't even realize that. I just looked at the price and thought it was pretty good. But this is what they put on the bag. So if I have any problems, they will replace it. So that's pretty cool for it to be, a cheaper canvas. Now, I only gave y'all $3.59 for this canvas. And as you can see, it is a 40 by 40. So let's get this open. And put that to the side. Get this rolled back. Now, this is a poured glue. So I am going to roll it the opposite way and try to get it flattened out a little. Now the canvas itself is that, stiff, scratchy canvas, but that's okay. All right, so this is the image that I got. It says, "Have a happy 4th July." And I think it's pretty cute. And for the size of 40 by 40, y'all, $3.59. I could not pass that up. So we'll let that relax for a minute. And we are going to maybe not take these out because, well, you know what, whatever. All right, so here is the toolkit. And it has a white pen with a single placer. One of the, I think that might be a 2-placer or a 3-placer. Well, I guess if I put it in front of the camera, you might be able to see it. I'm not sure if that's a 2 or a 3. Then they give you 2 things of blue wax, a teal green squishy, and then the white boat with the spout. Not bad. It's a step up from the little green boat, and you get a squishy and the blue wax and a little multi-placer. So it's a step up from the little green boat. All right, so these are, again, individually bagged. And this is a square diamond painting. And let's see, there are 23 colors. So it looks as if they... Well, I hope I didn't forget. No? Okay. All right. This, like I said, it's square. And they look pretty good. Let's see. Let's get a... I don't want to pull them all out because they're in order. But the colors look really good. Let's see. I'm not seeing any pits or trash. They don't seem to have any static really. So that's pretty good. But yeah, it's pretty cool that they've got them in order. All right. So that's just a quick sneak peek of those. Now, it does have the serial number of the canvas on the bags in case you want to, store this separate from the canvas. And it has on the top, it has a thumbnail of the picture and the serial number. It has the size, which is a 40 by 40 centimeter. It has a schematic on the top left and bottom right. And then on the bottom, they have an accidental warranty. They have a 5-star in satisfaction. I guess the company does. And then it just has, don't iron it. And it's, all that. So, it is, it does have the DMC numbers on the schematic, but they weren't on the bag. Let's see. They've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then it goes well, this is kind of a mix. It's got the numbers, the letters, and symbols. But the symbols, they don't look hard at all. Let's see. It is good and sticky. We'll bring you down a little bit in order to see. It looks pretty good. I know I have a glare from my window, y'all, and my light. But the canvas looks pretty good. They've got a light colored symbol on the dark colored squares. That's a plus. Because many of the companies, especially these little cheap companies or cheap canvases, they don't do that. It's usually dark on dark and you can't see it. But yeah, not too bad. But like I said, I thought this was cute, and for $3.59, you can't beat that. And like I said, I'm sure there'll be some kind of event coming up in July, and I'll have a canvas already. So, now I did look before I started filming, and it is not in stock right now. They have already sold out of it, probably because they were pretty cheap on their price. But I'm sure they'll get some more in. But like I said, I really don't know what the name of this canvas is. It didn't have a name. It's just 4th of July canvas. I just searched in the search bar diamond paintings under $5. So, but I don't think it's too bad. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and jump off here because I knew this was going to be a quick video, but I just wanted to show y'all what I found. So I have one more kit that I purchased, and I'm going to do another video on that one, and it's under $5 as well. And I think I'm going to try to start doing, you know, getting a few of their cheap canvases from Amazon and just doing a little video on maybe under 5 and under 10 from Amazon. I don't know yet. You know, it really kind of just depends on finances, but I thought this was a pretty good canvas. So anyway, I just want to jump on here and show y'all this and let y'all know that I completely and totally appreciate every one of you. And until my next video, y'all, I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.